Okay, this is a Miyota, I can't say it, Miyota 2315 movement. I've looked on the web and a lot of people will tell you that if I just get this pin in here, you have to press that little indent there. On this one, the 2315, you don't. Right here, right there, that little dot. This will appear when you push the stem in. If I could keep my hand still, it would work, wouldn't it? But there you go. Right, so just to recap quickly, get the pin in here. It's not this dot here. That one. It's that one there. And this will appear when you push the stem completely in. And you just touch it without any power at all with a very fine pin, and the stem will pop out. And here is the stem to prove it. Thank you. Good night.